Hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, legal advisor at Lexis and Company. Welcome to our channel LexClick. So in our previous video, we were discussing the elements that involved in for specific performance. In this video, we're gonna discuss the rest of the elements of specific performance suit के. So now the next element is readiness and willingness. Section 16C of the Act mandates the plaintiff to aver in the plaint and establish the fact by evidence, allude that he has always been ready and willing to perform his part of the contract. And distinction between readiness and willingness, that the former refers to financial capacity and the latter to the conduct of the plaintiff wanting performance. The plaintiff's readiness and willingness, which is a condition precedent, must be accordance with the term of the agreement. However, the plaintiff need not carry money in his hand. एंड इसमें एक केस था मेके वत्स वर्सेस उषा शर्मा 2004 का. इसमें plaintiff is to approach court with clean hands, and in Jayashree versus Bhagwan Das में right from the date of the execution till date of the degree, he must prove that he is ready and has always been willing to perform his part of the contract. So that's all about this element. So now the next element of specific performance is time is essence of contract. जो एक डिसीजन आया था हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच का ऑफ ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट इन चंद रानी वर्सेस कमल रानी, it is clearly known that in the case of sale of immovable property, time is never regarded as the essence of the contract. An intention to make time the essence of the contract must be expressed in unequivocal language as to the point of limitation is concerned, and the suit for specific performance has to be filed within reasonable time, which depends upon fact and circumstances of each case. Now the second element is adding parties to specific performance suit. Order 1 Rule 10 CPC is wider than the scope of Order 22 Rule 10 CPC as to person whose presence before the court is necessary or proper for effective adjudication of the issue involved in the suit. And Order 22 Rule 10 CPC is an enabling provision, and that is has certain parameters to continue the suit where right to sue is survival. And Order 22 Rule 10 CPC speaks of cases of an assignment, creation or devolution of any interest during the pendency of a suit, and the suit may by leave of the court be continued by or against the person to open which whom such interest has come or devolved. So that's all about the elements जो कि involved हैं in the suit of for specific performance. We'll soon with new legal ideas. Till now, thank you guys, thank you for watching us.